I am Professor Dr. Dharmesh H.S, practicing orthodontics for more than a decade now. I am practicing at Geeta Dental Clinic, Basavangudi, Bangalore. I will be discussing about the patient's role. What are the expectations from the patient while wearing the appliances for the successful orthodontic treatment? Remember, orthodontic treatment success depends 50% on the doctor and 50% on the patient. So, patient's cooperation is a must. There are three major roles which is mandatory for the successful orthodontic treatment outcome. One, the appointments. Number two is the hygiene. Number three is the appliance maintenance. First, we will see about the appointments. Appointments. Maintain the appointments. If the appointments are not maintained properly, both treatment cost and duration will become more, in addition to poor treatment outcome. Patient should report the clinic at least 15 minutes before the appointment time. Please leave the correct postal address and contact number with the doctor. It will help to inform in advance if the appointments are to be rescheduled. In case of any change in address or numbers, kindly notify promptly. Do not miss your regular monthly appointments unless otherwise it is absolutely necessary. Keep your orthodontist informed in case if you are not able to make up to your appointment. Number two is hygiene, that is maintaining the oral hygiene. The design of fixed appliance is such that it can invite food accumulation easily. If ignored, it can simply damage the health of the teeth, gums and the underlying bone. To avoid this, all you need is to brush meticulously and perfectly. It cleans your appliance as well. Number three, appliance maintenance. Apart from brushing, your diet has an important role in maintaining the braces. The braces, though are firmly bonded, it can still be weakened by heavy biting forces leading to dislodgement or breakage. An important tip to avoid breakage is to watch the consistency of your food. You should say an absolute no to these foods. They are hard foods like toffees, sticky foods like dry fruits or chocolates, chewy foods like pizza, crunchy food like popcorn, raw veggies like carrots. Veggies and fruits can be cut into small pieces and consumed. Other foods like roti, paratha, meat and some nuts may be consumed in softer consistency. If you are a non-vegetarian, choose a soft cooked bite-sized chicken piece rather than a fried kebab. It saves your braces. Also, bear in mind not to starve. Your health is important for an effective treatment. Apart from the foods mentioned above, any other hard or chewy food of your region must be avoided. Avoid foods and beverages with artificial colors as they can stain any part of your appliance. The natural color of raw beetroot also can stain. Other habits to be avoided is biting on fingernails or keys, opening bottle caps, etc. If you are in sports and games, a protective mouth guard may be given on request. For more information, you can log into my website www.alliancebraces.com, or you can contact me on my phone number 9900008081. Thank you.